Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So in this lecture, we are going to discussing one more important concept from first unit. The name of the concept is equations of a circle, intersection of a sphere and a line. Okay. So finally we have to find the equation of a circle, but here intersection of a sphere and a line is there. Okay. So this is the one of the important concept from this unit. So based on that concept, now we are going to discussing one more important problem. See the question, find the equation of the sphere, that sphere passing through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, and one line x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, and the whatever we are going to find the required sphere passing through the center of the second sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so that means so this is our required sphere. Okay, so this is our required sphere. This sphere passing through the center of the given sphere and intersection of a circle. Circle is nothing but not only a circle, circle is always here you have to treat one line and one sphere. So at the time of introduction in the introduction video only I clearly explained you, circle is not only circle equation, it always comes with the intersection with the line. Okay, so in this chapter, so wherever you see the circle, you have to take that circle along with the line. So now we have to find the sphere equation. That sphere equation passes through the circle and passing through the center of the second sphere. Okay, so therefore first of all, see, given equation of the circle is S is equal to, we can denote it capital S is congruence to. Okay, this is the symbol you know very well, congruent symbol. Okay, so S is congruence to general notation. General notation of the circle we can indicate it with a capital S. Whenever you give the notation, then we can use this symbol, congruent symbol or equality symbol. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, and capital U is equal to or congruent, so x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. By together we can call these two equations as a circle. Okay, so now our required sphere equation, the general equation of the sphere passing through the above circle is, this is the final equation, S plus K into U is equal to 0. Okay, so we are taking that as equation number 1, where you know very well K, small k is any parameter, okay, any constant. So to be determined, we have to determine the constant value and back substitute in equation number 1, then we'll get that required sphere equation. Substitute capital S and capital U values from the given circle in equation number 1, then we will get, so this is the total S value, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 plus k into u. What is the u value? X minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are taking that equation number 2. Now from the problem we have one more sphere also, that is second sphere. Okay, so x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this second sphere, compare with the general formula. What is the general formula? General form of the sphere, you know very well, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the general form of the sphere. So now the second sphere, compare with the general form, x coefficient to 2u is equal to here x coefficient to minus 2, and y coefficient to 2v is equal to here y coefficient to 4, and z coefficient to 2w is equal to here z coefficient to minus 6, and the constant small d is equal to 5. So 2 cancel, then u is equal to minus 1, and 2 ones are 2 twos are, so therefore we will get v is equal to 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are, so we can write w is equal to minus 3, and anyhow small d is equal to 5. Now what they are saying, required sphere passing through the center of the second sphere. This is the second sphere. So now we have to find the center of the second sphere. You know very well, center of the sphere capital C is equal to minus u minus v minus w. That is the formula. So already we got that u, v, w values. Substitute in that equation. C is equal to minus half minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus half minus 3. So therefore center of the second sphere is C is equal to 1 minus 2 3. These are the values. Now substitute this center equation. Okay, the required sphere equation. What is the required sphere equation? Equation number 2. Equation number 2 passing through this center. Okay, then wherever you have x, y, z values, in place of x, y, z values, substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 3 in equation number 2. Then we will get so substitute C of x, y, z is equal to C of 1 minus 2 3 in equation number 2 or 1, whatever it may be. Equation number 1 is nothing but equation number 2 only. So therefore x square, that means 1 square plus y square means minus 2 square plus z square means 3 square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 plus k into plane equation wherever you have x, y, z, then substitute 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 2 into 1 2, 3 into minus 2 6 and plus 6 plus k into 1 plus 4 plus 12 minus 9 is equal to 0. So here plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled. Next to 9 plus 1 plus 4, 14 plus 2 16 and 16 plus k into, so 1 plus 4 5 plus 12 17, 17 minus 9 8. Okay, 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So therefore 16 plus k8 is equal to 0. So I want k value. 8k is equal to minus 16. So k is equal to 8 ones are 8 2s are, k is equal to minus 2 is the value. So where k is a parameter we discussed at the beginning of the problem. So therefore that is the value of the k. Back substitute in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So therefore, so substitute k is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. So therefore, what is equation number 1? S plus k into u is equal to 0. So substitute s value, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6, that is here minus 2 into, that is k value minus 2. In place of k we are substituting minus 2. X minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore multiply with minus 2 minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 to the 4y plus into minus minus 2 into 4 minus 8z minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18. So therefore here x square y square z square only one terms are there. Next plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Next plus 3y plus 4y. If you add them plus 7y and only one term is there, z term minus 8z, and what are the constants? Plus 6 and plus 18. Plus 6 plus 18 plus 24. This is the required sphere equation. X square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 8z plus 24 equal to 0 is the required sphere equation of the given required sphere equation. Okay, passing through the given circle and passing through the center of the second sphere. Okay, so in this format we have to find the equation of the sphere whenever they give one circle equation along with the second sphere center. This is the total explanation of this problem. I hope you understood this problem very well. In the next lecture we are coming with another concept. So there are some more questions in our CA publication Analytical Solid Geometry material. So just to go through all the problems and practice all of them. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section. Okay, make a perfect practice. Until bye, thank you.